Good morning, internet. My engineers here. I got the great. Today is another good morning. Waking up very early in the morning. It's allowed 6:10. Going to Kikuyu in Gekambra, where I have a client. I have done a lot of activity for him. A lot of all my project that I do, I have done in her site. So guys, keep tuned. As I take you there today, I'll show you I have done solar water heater, electric fence, Cctv cameras, and door phones. I have done every aspect of installation that I normally do there. So guys, keep tuned. I'm at Shell petrol station right here. You can see the guy cleaning the windscreen for me. So head to fuel my car so that I'm good to run for the day. So guys, keep tuned. I'll show you how my days unfold. I'm so happy for your continued support. For those who are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly consider subscribing. Thank you guys. Continue subscribing to my channel. For the returning subscribers, thank you for always coming to watch my content. Thank you. So guys, let's hit the load. I've just googled the easiest way that I don't have a lot of traffic, so I'm heading there. So keep tuned guys. Guys, it's already 6:30 and the jam has started building up. You can see a lot of traffic. It has started building up. Kenyans are very busy. Everyone rushing to go to work. Yeah, others, you see, from the city, so most of them are matatus rushing to ferry people. Matatu are public service means of transport. Those ones, these buses that you can see on the road. Yeah. The building over here is our National Museum. This one, That's the expressway over there. Expressway. Pillars below are the one holding the expressway up there. Slow-mo. We still have a very big hotel, Kempiski's hotel. It's right here. Oh, need to buy a good start. Those cars are heading to Kileleshwa, like that now over there, like Kileleshwa and Lavington. Western. Let me call my guy. Good people. Already in the site. I've already arrived in my client site, as you can see. I had a lot of traffic on the way. I was expecting here to be here at 7 a.m. in the morning. So, but finally I ended up to be here at 7:30. It's because there was a bit of traffic. This is the site. This is the site I was telling you. You can see how it is. The beautiful view of a big dam, of a big field. This is normally where people who train for aircraft, right? Like helicopters. I think they have their radar over here because they normally come here. Let me see, maybe during the day there will be an helicopter which will be coming to land here. This is the site, my client site. I've done electric fence, solar water heater here. Let me show you the electric fence. Yeah, the electric fence down here. I'll show you the electric fence when I go down. I've also done solar lights. You can see them over here. I've done CCTV cameras. So let me go down. I show you my pump, how the control of the same. Okay, let me show you. So these are my control for the solar water heater. You see this is at 35, still heating. You see the thing blinking over here. It shows that it's heating. The other one is at 84. You see, this one is at 84. At 84. Oh, great. So I also have done a provision, the blank socket over here. This is for mounting. This is where my electric fence cable will lead to from outside. Then I will plug the energizer over here. I'll plug it over here. So I'm going to finish some of the project over here. So I'll be plugging it there. So guys, these are my solar water heater. Today I have some couples of activities to do. One of the release valve, this one, the PV valves. I've got a problem. You see what I've just told you, the helicopters, they normally come here along this when they are training. You can hear the helicopter over there. This is the PV valve. This one. This is responsible for releasing hot air from the solar water heater. This is because when the water boils, this one releases because water boils at 100. So I want to replace one of it because one have got a problem. Then these are the tubes that are heating my water over here. You can see them. Yeah, these ones. So I did 300 of them, 300 liters each. So my client here have got 600 liters. You see what I've just told you? This is an helicopter just landing over here. This one. They normally these are a guy who is being trained how to fly an helicopter. Right there. It is not that good. So today I'm working on this one. So I also want to replace this flex conduit over here. This flex cord it over here. Yeah, this one. This one is for the sensor to measure temperature. I see the helicopter now going up. Helicopter going up. So I'm the one who did the probing of this area with my probing team. Today I've just come to replace a pump over here. We had this pump. Yeah, this pump over here, it have got an issue, so I have decided to replace it. This is because this sensor that trigger is the sensor that triggers power when this is a pressurized. It has a pressure control. The pump have got a pressure control. When it senses that water have reduced in my system, also in the house, because it is the pump is pressurizing both cold and hot water. So when it senses that the pressure is low in my solar water heater, it pumps the water to the solar water heater, or immediately opens water in the house. It senses that the water have reduced in the solar water heater. Then it pumps cold water inside the system, and then you receive hot water which is pressurized in the house. So here we are trying to, you see the pump that I come with here is totally different with the one here. So and I had modified a shade for it. So we need to remodify again for it to fit, even though it will mean to take it to the welder for some adjustment. That's what we will exactly do. I have my guys here. Bill, wewe utasalimia watu na chavi ama mtaogopa? Yeah, to my good people. This is Bill, This is my brother. We've been working for him since 2016 or 2017? 2016. Yeah, since 2016 with Bill here. So we are ready to do the job. Let me first receive a call over here, then I'll come back to you guys and explain more of what we are doing. So guys, we are back. This is the thing I had modified for this pump. This is because despite being you can put it outdoor, there is some powers coming to here. So this is the sensor that I've got a problem. This is the one that triggers when it senses the pressure. What do you call this one? They call it pressure tank. Pressure tank. When the pressure tank senses that there is reduction in pressure in the house and also in our solar water heater, this one triggers power and pumps water. You can see how it have worn out here. You see? Yeah, this is the press. This is the thing that I've got a problem, but I'm still looking for the spare for this one. So now this is the pump 0.5, and also this is the pressure controller. This one now will be ensuring that you can see pressure control. Doing with some thread tape for us to fix the pipe. This is the pipe. One is taking cold water, main supply to the house, and also to our solar water heaters. We is busy doing it with Bill. This is my probing team. We've been with them since 2017. Today guys, is mitungi lini? Is mitungi today? Ni 2019. Is it solar water heater? I'll check. Nitaangalia kwa picha zangu.
Hapo kama zi 22, 23
nini last year? I'm trying to remember. Tulizieka hizi after COVID. Yeah, I think tulizieka 20. Is it 2021? Well, I'm not wrong, it's 2021. Let me check the videos. It's because I have the videos of us installing them. Let me check the videos. We have a very beautiful Africa. I've done 2500 liters each. Each tank is 25, as you can see here. 2500. So this whole 10,000 liters. This is what linking cold water. This is water from the tanks down there, giving to this tank. Then we pick it up over here. Let me show you over here. You see, our water enters through this tank. The tanks, we have ringed them. You see, we've ringed the four tanks. Then we get it from there, from the pump, then to the house, using this one. Yeah, this is taking to the house. Then we got where the two leads to the house, both cold and hot. Now here there are two pumps going to the house, the two of them. So one is from solar water heater, and the other one is from the I want to show you. So this hot water to the solar. So cold water comes in and also comes in to the other tank. But now we changed. This is the only one getting cold water. This one. Then it is feeding this because the system is pressurized. The hot water from this tank is feeding direct to the cold side of this pressurized. This one is always receiving hot water. This tank over here always receiving hot water. So guys, this is our system. As you can see, these are pressurized, a tube, a backload. The thing is 300 liters. It has got 30 tubes. These are the ones which are heating. In solar water heater, we've got two types. We've got pressurized and unpressurized. Pressurized, it heats waters indirect. So these tubes are heating the flask. You see this thing? It's like a flask. This one. This is like a flask. The copper load. The thing lands a copper inside that is heating. You can come closer. That's heating the water indirect. But in low pressure, the water normally is heated direct. This is because the water the same looks exactly like this one, but the water enters through this tube, so it induced hot water to the cold coming to our flask. This is because this is a flask. When waters becomes hot, it never loses the temperature, so the temperature remains. Like for the case I've just shown you, this tank over here have got the water is 85 degrees centigrade. The other one was 35. If I explain to you this, because this tank is the one getting cold water. So this because I have 600 liters of water. I find it wise, or it is always wise for me to link it very well, such that this one is giving hot water to this. So this one is always receiving hot water. This one is receiving cold water, giving out receiving cold water, giving out hot water to this. Then this one taking the same hot water to the house. So guys, these are system. The system also have got a solar, have got a heater, but we normally don't connect the heaters. This is because the temperature is always high. Because you see at 12, this water will be boiling like this one. For the second solar water heater over there, now it's 85, so it's remaining 15 for it to boil. The PV valves over here, this one, these are PV valves. It is written 10 bar 110 degrees C. So it means we normally know that the optimum boiling temperature for water is 100, so it cannot exceed. But why they have put an allowance for 110, this is because after the water boils, where we are crossing, let me show you where we are crossing these PV valves over here. You see here, this thing is metallic. So despite the water being 100 degrees, boiling at 100 degrees, it can exceed to maybe 105. This is because it is metallic, so it may exceed. That's why they've just considered to put this one at 110. So guys, let me just explain to you other jobs that I have done in this site. The big thanks to Mama Georgie and Baba Georgie. They are the one who have entrusted me with this job. Here I have done solar water heater, I have done electric fence, I have done solar backup, I have done solar lights, I have done CCTV cameras, door phones. Now we are my client is looking for more money so that we can do a bigger solar system that will land the whole this mansion. You see how big it is. You see the pergolas, these metal bars over here, they are called pergolas. These are just for beautification. And also these is where I'll close my silent for electric fence. So I have done how many projects? Solar water heater, solar backup, solar light, electric fence, CCTV cameras. I think I've done entirely almost all jobs that I do, because the only job I have not done in this site is alarm, of which the family that do not need the alarm. This is because they already have an electric fence. They already have oh, now we are yet now to install automation of gate, because we also, that gate needs some automation. The gate over here, that gate need automation. You can see my electric fence down there, then the solar. So guys, for business you can reach us through this number, +254 727 000 499. I come over again, +254 727 000 499. We can do you exactly the kind of job we've done. Like here, I was here when the site was starting, so I am the one who did the piping for electricity, piping for the for CCTV cameras. So I provided the provision for CCTV cameras, the electric fence, door phones, and also the aerials. Like you see the aerials right here. Let me show you where the aerial pass is. You see here, I had done provision for 2. This is the area over here. This one, this is the area. Yeah. So I did the provision. You see the pipe here just go down to the house. For this, for the bedroom. This one was for the bedroom. For the seating was over here. You can see the area. It's here. This one, so this one is going to the sitting room. This is because sitting room is just light down there. Yeah. So guys, that's our work. I've got a great team. You know, the light of Mwangi. Now I've introduced to you to my plumbing team. Headed by Bill. Then we have Chavi. In backup we have got Ri. So my company have got different people, different profession. and we'll give you the best. So catch up, give us business, the plumbing work. Bill here, I've introduced Bill to so many clients. We've done a lot of plumbing work. So guys, get in touch. We'll give you the best, and we value a good job. So thank you. I think Bill, you can tell my guys here to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hi guys, subscribe to the channel so that we can proceed together.
Okay, thank you. Support.
Okay, here you go, sir.
See, the machine is very hot. You see the smoke?
PPR machine.
Yeah, PPR machine. This is what we use here to join the water pump. Yeah, PPR pipes.
Pima skuru.
This one, we've just introduced here to take care for the vibration. You see, this is a pump. It has a motor inside here. So for you to reduce the vibration in the house, we just put this absorber material to take care for that. So you work with the expert who consider anything in the house. We know that we need you need a very good sleep. In your house is where you come to relax, to relax and get a good sleep. So you don't have to have a running pump. Having a lot of noise, some vibration. So you have to be wise. You as an engineer, you have to take charge in the site and give the best to the client. My able team here, Bill and Chavi. Angalia, say hi to the camera.
Hi guys.
Chavi, kwaje? You see, in the mouth.
Increase the standard. Tukileta hivi na elbow na tupiga elbow hapa 45 and then to increase ile uko na socket moja. Sawa. Pima hiyo.
So we are trying to fix you see, I had done some cutting in this one for the pump to pass, and also had mounted it. If you look very closely, there you see, there's where we are mounting it. Trying to coincide the what we have used. We had done some roll boots. This one, see this one, the one that Bill is holding. So guys, today don't ask why we are not in apron. This is because we are working inside the house, so we had no need to put on apron, yet we are just fixing the pump. Chavi, ulikuwa umefunga kabisa?
Haya, nimedunga tu ndani, vuta tu juu.
want to put this at 45, like this, yeah, so that we link it. You can come closer, shall we? So that we can link. We want to put it at 45. So we want to introduce this. Yeah, this. So we have to cut. So introduce this at 45.
Yeah.
So where should we cut? Here.
Yeah.
Is that cutter? Just continue. Okay. So guys, we just cut a small piece. We want to ring this one at 45, so that we can join them. We can join them together. This is how we use the PPR machine. Great. So you see how hot it is? It's very hot. So being a prabber, you have to get some dents for touching this one. You have to get pan. You see, you use your hand to cool for it to join well. So we need to. Okay, great. So here. And you have to put it straight for it to not to bend. You see, Bill is using pliers to push.
The pipe is hard.
It's hard.
And then this
So when I use the 45, then we ring them.
Okay.
Yeah. And you have to take care of your partner not to burn them. Not to burn them. Great. So you have to use that one. You have to use this one here for it too, because we want it to join here. So this is the cutter you use to cut there. Instead of using blade,
is the pipe cut.
Pipe cutter. So I think we should start with this one. Yeah. Then we put it inside here. So we should really move. Yeah. Great. Like that. So guys, for such kind of a job, you can reach us through this number +254 727 000 499. +254 727 000 499. We'll give you the best and ensure your piping is well done, and also everything, plumbing work, electrical work. You see, why I have a plumbing work team. This is because we're installing solar water heater. You must need a plumber. Yeah. So in my company, I had to have some plumbers in it, and we've done a lot with the Bill and Javi since 2016, and still counting.
Ziko ndani.
We need the. Oh, it's here.
Raba ziko ndani.
Iko hapa.
Hata iko nayo, zote ziko na raba.
So let's put here this one. That way. So our system is ready. Now we see we can this water. This is going to the house. This one. Then this one is getting into the pump. You see that we've just linked the four tanks. So they are getting water at the same level. So when water enters to that one, it comes to the others. Although that one is normally up, but they normally get water at the same level. So our client here have got 10 liters of 10,000 liters of water. So I think we are almost there. So what do we need? We just need to connect power.
Electricity.
Yeah, power. Is we had already done the piping for the existing pump. So we already switched it off down there where the socket is. So we just link the pump. Then it'll be good to go. It'll be good to go. Testa iko kwa gari. Ampati testa.
Jamani kama alitupa. Wewe na matosha hivi.
So guys, we are replacing the flex. This one is to replace these cable because the flex are already worn out. This because of sun. You see how it is looking like. So we had to replace them. So let's see how it's looking like. This is because of corrosion of water and sun. So we've already replaced this one for temperature. Yeah, on both sides. Now we are replacing this one for heaters. Although our system is not using heaters, this is because we've connected it. We've not connected it with heaters. This is because temperature here they are good. You see, I'm joining these two cables and they are not short. So we don't need heaters in our system. But it has a provision. This is the provision of the heater. This one is the heater over here. This is because you can put it in a very cold place where the temperature like here in June and July, sometimes it's very cold. Although here, even though it's cold, you don't necessarily need the system to heat with electricity. This is because at least even in the cold season, we already have enough light, UV light, and some sunshine too, to keep the water hot. We only need like two systems to make sure that even during the cold season, we still have enough water to take a shower or use it in the kitchen. Beautiful Africa. Our motherland. Beautiful, beautiful Africa. Our water is very hot, as you can see. It's very hot, you see. See how you can. Very, very hot. This is very hot. Very, very hot. It was when I was coming here and it was 39, the water was 85. So I think it's almost 90 something. I want to burn my heart. Guys, we want to replace our PV valve, but what is on our surprise, the water have boiled to melt the plastic. You see the plastic here? It's already melted. This one, it already melted. You see? Now you want to replace the PV valve with this one. These are of good quality than this one. This is because this one has a. Is it also 10 bar? Yeah, it's 10 bar, but 99 degrees C. Yeah. So this one is 10, but 110. So it's much better than the other one. So that's why you are replacing it with this one. And the water is boiling to melt this plastic. See this plastic. This one. You see the plastic are already melted. Load.
Yeah.
Oh, great. They are done. Now we have a new PV valve. This one here. Inachemka bana. Kaa inafanya hii plastic melt. Hii plastic mpaka ina melt. Unaona? Hii plastic ina melt na ni rubber. Maji inachemka mpaka ina melt. Water is boiling making it this one to melt. So guys, this is my screen over here. This one. As you can see, I have how many cameras? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there were 6 of them, but now I want to check the cable that I've just replaced there. That's what I want to check. This is my cabinet over here. The internet cable is also, you see the router, my networking cabinet. So my system is all here. This is where my cables originate. Also, you see where the enters do the adapter box to various points of the house and the compound. Sorry for how the adapter box look like this, because when I was coming to finish up the cabling, they had already done the painting. And also everything was done. So opening the adapter box, so it was hectic. So that's why you see they had to tear us out. You see when they had some paint. So the guys who are painting, they could have opened it, paint well, then after they finish, they return the lid. So guys, let me troubleshoot. Let me check whether I had plugged in all the connectors in the DVR. So from there, we will be in position to know whether the thing is okay or not. Oh, I got it. So my camera is already on the screen, so I'm okay. I'm just going to set it and it will be good to go. So let me show you the camera. Here is the camera, this one. Here is the one. So here is the camera. So I just talked to Bill and shall we see my probing guys. They are here. Is Chavi seated. So and we are good to go. So now we've added. I will just identify this one camera have got a problem. So you also have this one. Give us the outside. Yeah. Sorry if you get to see some pixel. This is because of the camera. So the camera I was doing it was viewing a corridor, the opposite corridor of this one. Oh great. So I need to split them into 3 times 3 like that. So how many? 1, 2, there are 6. So even you can split that. 3 times 1 times 7, like that. For us to have, we can have this one as a bigger screen. Oh, great. So we are good to go. Or we put it just as the client had put. It was 3 times 3, like that. It was like that. Good. So everything is done. We have our 6 cameras, our 6 good cameras. You got it? Okay. So guys, today we had a couple of things. We had to check on cameras, we had to do the maintenance. Also the client had requested we maximize on the available resources by shifting one camera. This one I've just shifted. This one was viewing a small corridor along there. So we found it much important to view where they are parking their cars. This is because the camera that was meant to see outside here, he just made a kitchen garden in front of here. I think you can show them a kitchen garden over there. So they see that kitchen garden. Yeah. So the camera cannot be in position to view the parking very well. So that's why I've just moved this camera. Although by the site require how many 12 cameras, but we've done 6. So this one we just put it into maximum use. This now we can view the outside here and also the parking. So guys, we are done. We've done with the pressurizing the house. This is because one pump was having the pump had got a problem. Everything is done. You see, I've done the electric fence. So I'm done with everything. So we want to leave the site. I'm here with my guys. We are just here. Oh, good. Let's see whether the light is good there. Oh, great. So I'm here with my guys. These are my prabbing team. This is Bill and Chalvi. I think you can just say hi to my good people. Just
Hi guys.
Yeah, you can just wish them good day or good afternoon, good morning. You see the people who are watching these videos, they have different time zone. Yeah. There is someone who is in US. Yeah. Right now they are at night. Yeah. So when we are going at night, they are going to their morning. Yeah, yeah. So you can just request them to subscribe to my channel, or you got the Greek channel, and I'd appreciate.
Subscribe to the channel so that we can proceed together.
Okay. Thank you, Bill. Chavi, say hi to my good people.
Hi people. You can subscribe to the channel and all will be good.
Oh, thank you. Let's meet in the next video, guys. Thank you.